In this video, I want to talk about how you can qualify for options trading inside of Webull. Now, the first step and the most important is that you need to be in an eligible country. So you need to be located in the US, otherwise you cannot open your Webull account. Now, with that being said, you want to make sure you open and you have an approved account. So you want to send all the documents. Now, once you've done that, you want to go to the options trading application. So download the Webull app, go to the menu, and then what you want to do is click on settings, select manage brokerage account, click on options trading, and from in there, you can open the application form. Now from in there, you just want to review and agree to the disclosures, provide all the personal and financial information. So you have a little questionnaire that you want to fill out, and then you want to answer some questions. Now this is to find out if you are eligible and you have enough trading experience and stuff to be able to trade with options. Once you've done that, you might have to complete an ETO assessment. So just try that. And it says here that if you're looking in Australia, you might have to do this. So you need to be in either US, Australia, or maybe Canada. I'm not entirely sure with that one. But yeah, you want to be located over there. Then check if it works. And then what you want to do is just submit it and wait for them to check it out. This can usually take a few business days. So just wait at least a full week of business days, so 5 days, and then see if it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.